After a cloudy Monday and even some fog this morning, we finally got the sunshine once again. Partly cloudy for this afternoon, 72 degrees, winds out of the east-northeast at 7 miles per hour, and that humidity at 60%. So a bit more muggier, you can say, with those numbers down close to 60 degrees when it comes to that dew point. But those temperatures, though, just lovely and comfortable, seasonable for this time of the year. Finally, 72 degrees in Ontonagon, 75 in Crystal Falls, 70 in Ironwood. Towards the east, about the same, 75 in Iron Mountain, 69 in Escanaba, and even 69 degrees at the Sioux. Those winds starting to see a bit more out of the south at 7 in Escanaba, 6 in Munising. And then even a northerly flow still continues into Iron Mountain at 3 miles per hour. But overall, the main pattern, those winds averaging around 5 miles per hour. So for today, we did have a nice day, but that cloudiness is going to make a comeback once again late tonight into tomorrow morning. So when you wake up, we'll deal with partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies. As a cold front begins to make its way in from Canada, that's going to introduce some rain chances sometime into the afternoon. Then the cold front slides through, and then those winds begin to shift out of the north. That's going to allow for that cool air to really spill in as we go towards Thursday, and then we'll feel the full force of that cool air waking up Friday morning, where we could be dealing with the chance of some patchy frost once again. Now this one, though, it's not going to stick around as much as it did the last one, where the cool air really hovered for at least a good 4 to 5 days. This one's going to retreat very quickly towards the north by the weekend. So for today, we've been dealing with good amount of cloudiness through parts of southeastern lower Michigan into parts of Ohio. That's where most of the showers and thunderstorms are flaring up throughout this afternoon. For us, though, just a bit of those clouds here and there, partly cloudy, and then clear skies further west you go into parts of the plains. But for us, though, it's just been a great Tuesday all around, especially after how thick those clouds were just yesterday. Warm and hot weather still dominating parts of the eastern Rockies and western plains. Cool air into parts of Minnesota. Thunderstorms all the way down into parts of the Tennessee and Ohio Valley. Now for tomorrow, that cold front already starting to enter parts of northern Minnesota, eventually sliding through the Great Lakes through the entire day on Wednesday and into Thursday. So this warm air retreats towards the south, and this will also be the steering mechanism as Harvey makes its landfall somewhere in Louisiana. Eventually this cold front will slide it towards the east of us into the Atlantic Ocean sometime by the end of the weekend. So if you're curious to know the track of Tropical Storm Harvey, that's where it's planning to go. So for us, though, we're just going to deal with some of those showers on Wednesday, sunshine Thursday and Friday, cooler temperatures, but warming up by the weekend. There is a new disturbance that will planning to come in on Saturday that could reignite a couple of showers once again. 57 degrees for tonight, so a warm, mild evening. Winds out of the southwest at 5 miles per hour with increasing clouds. And that's pretty much going to be the name of the game starting midnight all the way till noon tomorrow. It's those clouds. By the afternoon, we shift over to the rain. 74 degrees in Crystal Falls, 66 in Houghton. Winds also beginning to make a change from the southwest early in the morning, eventually out of the north by the evening as that cold front makes its way through. And then here's the extended outlook. 60 degrees for that high on Thursday, 42 for that low on Friday. Keep in mind that towards the interior we could see some 30s, but then warming up into those 70s by the end of the weekend.